Hello everybody, my name is Jorge Luis Núñez. In this case, I'm going to be talking about the subject of syntax and teaching grammar. The topic is heads and modifiers by me. This is my carátula, and the first thing that we're gonna be talking about is heads and modifiers. But what are them? Both of them express meaning. The head is the most important element in phrase, and it controls the type of number and modifiers. The head is the word that carries the most meaning. The modifier provides extra information about the head of the head word or the head. Like I put here one example with the word buildings. One is these old buildings, and then the other one is the buildings in my town. This is a briefly a concept map that you're gonna be seeing. The title of these things is words because heads and modifiers are based on words. So heads are the controller and the modifiers are being controller. But both of them compose a phrase, a group of interrelated words. Heads or the controller. The heads or the controller may have one modifier, more than one modifier, or just no modifier. Examples: boiling water. The head here in this phrase is water. Cutting paper, paper. Bending metal, metal. Heads or the controller. Now in this case we're going to be talking about in grammatical analysis. Most phrases contain a keyword that identifies the type and linguistic features of the phrase. This is known as the head word or just the head. Phrase head is a noun phrase. When the phrase head is a verb, it's called verb phrase. The remaining words in a phrase are called the dependents of the head. Let's talk about some examples that I have been writing down here. The words in bold, meaning the head. Too slowly, adverb phrase. Very happy, adjective phrase. The massive dinosaur, noun phrase. At lunch, preposition phrase. Watch TV, verb phrase. As you can see in all these examples, I'm adding the abbreviations for these all types of heads, like adverb phrase ADVP, adjective phrase AP, noun phrase MP, preposition phrase PP, verb phrase VP. Now let's talk about the second thing in this exposition. The topic is modifiers, or the ones that being controller. A modifiers is an optional element in phrase structure or class structure. Also is called because it is said to modify, change the meaning of another element in the structure or which it is dependent. Examples: this is a red ball. The adjective red is a modifier. Why? Because it's modifying the noun ball. Types of modifiers. We have two types of modifiers here. The adjectives is the modifying nouns, and the adverbs are the modified and other parts of the speech. Let's say particular verbs, adjectives, and other verbs, and other adverbs. Examples of modifiers. It was a nice house. Adjective of modifying a noun in a noun phrase. Only the dog was saved. Adverb modifying a noun phrase. She set it down very gently. Adverb in adverb phrase, which is kind of weird because this becomes an adverb in adverb phrase. And the last diapo is regarding my references. So I was taking some of this information from the Chomsky Noam on 1957, and also the didactic guide that were provided by the UTPL. So hopefully I think that you guys enjoy my exposition, and I would like to have some questions if you guys have in my video on YouTube. As I said, my name is Jorge Luis Nunez, and it's a pleasure to be your student. Have a good night.